Google seldom releases any new apps, but when it does, they do tend to come with a buzz on the internet. Google released a new app called Google Reply a month back. The app brings smart reply feature found on Google's own messaging app, Allo. So every time someone sends you a message, you'll be provided by 3 suggestive replies based on the content of the message received. The app also includes contextual data in the responses. For example, if someone texts you asking when can you be here, reply looks up your current location, calculates the amount of time it will take you to reach the location, and provides you with the precise estimated time of arrival to respond with. Adding to the awesomeness, the app can also auto-reply to messages while you can't. Reply uses your location to detect if you're driving or traveling and responds accordingly. If you have your phone on silent or DND, that will let others know that you're busy. In such a scenario, your friends can reach you by adding urgent to the text, and Reply will play a noise for you, alerting you to your requirement. Google Reply isn't available to download from the Play Store yet, but you can download it from the links below in the description. Do try Reply and amaze your friends with that bot replies. Smash that like button, comment down, have you tried Google Reply or not? Until the next video, take care.